We've been telling you the show is going to go on. Bayfest organizers say there will be music downtown tonight as scheduled, despite Tropical Storm Karen.
And crews continue with setting up this afternoon before tonight's acts take the stage. Bayfest has said it's taking proper precaution for this weekend to ensure everyone's safety in case Karen hits hard.
Local 15's Derek Rose is live from downtown Mobile. Derek, the first act set to hit the stage is about 6:45 tonight, right?
Greg, you know, that's about just a little less than an hour and a half from now, and the crews are using every last minute they can to get these stages and all of these constructions together here for Bayfest, the largest festival, music festival that is in Alabama. We heard a couple of the acts here practicing probably about 20-30 minutes ago, but as you can see, those crews still working very hard to get the stages set. Now, we heard from Darwin Singleton just about 10-15 minutes ago, and he was talking to the EMA director. The biggest concern here for the Bayfest organizers is the wind. Right now, very sunny, very bright, no concern about weather at all, but they are keeping an eye to see how the skies perform and to see if there are strong winds. That is the biggest concern for them, because these stages, you can see how high they are and the amount of the structure that has been built. Those cannot sustain high winds. So if the winds do pick up, they will break these stages down as quickly as they can and cancel and at least postpone some of the performances. But for now, the stages are set. The acts are getting ready, and Bayfest for now will go on. Live downtown, I'm Derek Rose, Local 15 News.